Your Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023 is none other than contestant number 11. Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023, Angelina!
We would also like to request our organizers to kindly hand our winners their check. Thank you so much to all the contestants. Thank you so much for your participation. We do wish you the very best in your future endeavors. Thank you so much and a very big congratulations for participation here. Thank you.
Check. Ladies, you can take your final walk. Your winners for Miss Teen Meghalaya, everybody!